So, look at that. This is just like in Cavite. Para akong nasa mall sa Cavite. Alam mo yun. So, I am here. Hehehe. Ang dami lalaki. So anyway, like ng sinasabi ko, nandito ako sa Shopee Tivoli. Meron akong ginawa. Dami lalaki. I did it. Again. Nag-resign ako sa work. And nagkasakit ako ng 1 week. 1 week akong may sakit. First, ang taas nung high blood pressure ko. Pagkatapos nilagnat ako ng 3 araw. So, I will tell you more about it some other time. For now, kailangan ko ng peace. Hello, good morning. Naka-prepare na ako. And today, meron akong job interview. Meron akong in-applyan na trabaho sa restaurant. And it will not take long. Sandali lang siguro yun. I just need to siguro show up kasi privilege pala yung pag nakatanggap sila ng application. Invite kanila for interview. So, I hope I look okay para magandang impression sa akin. Wish me luck. So, ayan siya. So, that's the restaurant. It looks good. So, nininervous ako ng very, very light. So, this is the look of the restaurant. Katabi siya ng malaking lake. Ayan siya. So, this is the winter garden. Pero, meron siyang mga camping people here. And this camping place is only for summer. So, I don't know if it's good here. I arrived early. Pero, ang sabi niya kasi 10 o'clock. Tapos, sabi niya 11:30 daw. Pero, ngayon may kinakausap pa siyang isang parang trabahador or something. Isang lalaki. So, maghihintay pa ako ng very, very light. I am not hoping na makukuha ko tong job. In the first place, medyo mahirap pumunta dito. Buti na lang hinatid ako ng asawa ko. I just don't know. Malapit lang siya sa bahay actually. 10 minutes lang siya. Pero kapag pa-public transpo ako, bababa ako sa isang station and then medyo malayo yung lalakarin ko. And ang question is of course, pag gabi, madilim and medyo liblib na lugar ito. Ayan siya, liblib siya day. You see? Can you imagine pag gabi? And then I don't even know kung ano yung mga tao doon sa camping place, diba? So, malaman. Okay. So, nandito na ako. Para siyang industrial area dito sa part na to. So, natapos na akong ma-interview. It's so informal pero ang ganda nung wine cellar nila. Really beautiful wine cellar. And then, magkakaroon ako ng parang trial sa Sunday. So, 11:30, I have to be there at 11:30 and then mga 4 hours lang akong magta-trial and then malaman. So, now, pupunta ako sa asawa ko pwede naman niya akong sunduin doon sa restaurant, pero kasi ito yung way na daan, tama ba? Ito yung daan para papunta dun sa bus stop. So, trinay ko lang yung feeling ng paglalakad. Sana makapagtrabaho na ako. Gusto ko na talagang mag-work. And if ever makuha ko yung work, parang first time kong mag-work sa isang Swiss restaurant. Though, long time ago, in Bethlehem, na-try ko nang mag-work sa isang Swiss restaurant. Pero, yung wife nung may-ari is Indonesian. Pero ito, this is a Swiss restaurant. So, susubukan niya ako. And I think that's a good sign. It's always an advantage na nahihingal ako, day. It's an advantage for me na masubukan akong magtrabaho. Kasi, I think, kapag ang worker, physical yung kanyang trabaho, kailangan susubukan kang magtrabaho. Tama ba? Subukan kanila na magtrabaho. Kasi, hindi siya only about CV or documents or anything or picture. Kailangan actual, masubukan ka, diba? Kasi yun yung dapat na mangyari. Makita kung paano ka magtrabaho. You get my point? Wow, look at that. That is a stork. Sure. Beautiful. It is beautiful. Wow, look. I'm craving for this one. Alright. This it's like a snack bar for this place. This is Tutlerse. May camping plots din dito. Wow! Wow, look at all the Wasser. So we are here, bird watching. It's a community activity. Hi, hello there. Good afternoon. So yesterday, doon kami sa community, nag-bird watching kami, di ba? With the group. And then now, nandito kami sa top of Zurich. Ito yung Uetliberg. It's my favorite place. So that's the tower. You can actually go up and see the nice view. That's the hotel. That's the restaurant. And then we're going to walk somewhere there, walk somewhere there, walk somewhere there, and then to our home over there. So that the pond And then over there is our house.
Ein Kaffee.
Dankeschön. So this is my food. Wow, it's delicious. It's beautiful, isn't it? That's the Zurich Lake. And that's the Zurich city. And look at the tourists. Wow. Hello. Look at that. It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. Look at the composition of this. Oh, beautiful. Oh my God. Naalala ko yung nung bata ako, mahilig akong maglakad sa mga bukid-bukid sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. Oh my God. Look at that. So, there is a castle. Galing kami doon sa tower. And then naglakad kami, di ba? Pababa. Now meron daw castle. I think this is the castle. Is this the castle? I think that's the castle. Oh. So there is a cemetery here. Galing kami dyan sa church. And then, dito yung castle. So they call this castle and the other one. So I think this is the castle 1 and then the other one is the castle 2. Well, wala naman talagang royal family dito sa Switzerland ever since the world began. But I don't know kung anong klaseng castle ang meron sila dito. So nag-ikot-ikot ako. Wala naman ako nakitang castle doon. Pero siguro yun nga yung tawag nila sa castle ng Switzerland noong unang panahon. And then ito yung castle 2 daw. So ibig sabihin may castle 1. So yung isang bahay doon na medyo malaki, yun yung castle 1. So that is nice cake. I like that. Hello there. So, kahapon, nag-test work ako. Ang tawag yun? Probation work ng 4 hours. Actually, 3 hours. Pero, nag-request yung head waiter ng 1 more hour na mag-extend ako. So, okay naman. Ang dami kong ginawa doon sa restaurant. Pero basically, runner lang yung pinagawa sa akin. Pero now, meron pa rin ako interview tomorrow and the next day for another job interview. So we are here sa Mika. Wow! Hello! Good afternoon! We are here dito sa Brunnen, one of the most famous tourist destination dito sa Switzerland. So, nadala ko na kayo dito before, pero hindi ko alam kung natatandaan nyo pa. So, ayan siya. It feels like home. Di ba may ganyan ako sa bahay? Look at the water. Ang linis-linis. And actually, hindi pa siya ganyan kalinis. Wow, is this meat pesto?
Class, perla,
Sarap! Yum, yum. Hey! Hello there! It's a beautiful weather, so natapos na kaming kumain ng lunch. And nandito pa rin kami, same spot. And maganda dito na-discover ang Switzerland. So look at that. We are here sa Brunnen, the beauty of Switzerland. It's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Doon malayo, oh. Wow, it's beautiful. So for today's video, meron pa kaming mga pupuntahan. Lakad-lakad lang. Relax lakad. Kasi naka-long gown competition ako. Look at this view. That is so real, my God. So beautiful. So beautiful. Hi. Wow, magic. Magic, magic, magic. Nasa shopping mall kami. Para akong nasa Walter Mart o kaya sa Isitan Recto. So meron kasing titingnan yung aking asawa na sport article or something. Parang I don't know, sa isang sports shop. Pero ako, tinantanan ko na ako sa shopping. Ayoko na mag-shopping. Dahil wala na akong trabaho. Wala na akong pera. Iba na kasi mga interest ko. Feeling ko nasa Walter Mart ako, dahil o kaya sa Isitan Recto. Ganun yung peg niya dito. But it's a decent mall, if I may say so. So guys, ito siya. Decathlon. 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 So, ang tagal naming hinanap to. Naghahanap pa kami kasi ng folding bicycle, tsaka bicycle. Look at this bicycle. Ang ganda nung red. Maganda yung red. Ako, naghahanap ako ng bicycle, pero hindi di motor. Yung traditional bicycle. Kasi for me, bicycle is bicycle. And this one looks really, really cute. Pero gusto ko sana pink para Barbie. Ang ganda nito, oh. At medyo mura lang siya. Dahil, oh, ayan lang. But it looks so nice. Aminin mo nga kung hindi siya maganda. Kumpara mo naman dito. Kumpara mo naman sa ganyan. Ayan mo. Mahalia Mendez. Mahalia Mendez na yung mga electric bike. For example, ayan yung price niya dito sa banda rito. Tapos, ayan yung price niya. Diyan, sa banda dyan. So, ito, ang price nito ay ganun din. Pero pag ninamnam mo, ang pangit. Pangit talaga siya. Pero ito, look at that. It's so beautiful. Ang asawa ko, gusto niya motor, the electric bike. Pero ako, gusto ko ito, yung traditional bicycle. Kasi for me, bicycle is bicycle. Hindi naman kailangan de motor. Kasi bicycle is bicycle. Look at this. Oh my God, look at this. Ang gaganda. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Ang gaganda niya. Tingnan mo to. Look at this beautiful, pretty cattle. So, naghanap kami ng folding bike. Pero it looks so weird. Kasi ang liit. Mabalik tayo dito. Tingnan mo merong kaldero. Tapos, ayan siya, oh. Ito siya, bale. Merong sangkalan, merong tasa, may plato, oh, and that's this one. Maganda siya. Ang ganda niya, pati yung tasa, maganda. Ito, oh, look at this. This looks so fine. May plato, tapos baso. Pagkatapos, ito ang cute-cute. Cute talaga siya. Tapos meron siyang tasa na ganito. Oh, maganda. I like it. Or you can buy this one, the small one. Look. This one. Pero I think mas maganda to because you can also use this for cooking. Ang ganda niya. I love camping. Well, yung idea ng camping gusto ko, pero hindi pa ako nakapag-camp forever in my life. Kasi natatakot ako, lalo na sa mga CR ng community camping. Nakakatakot. And this one, gusto ko to eh. This one is so nice. Kailangan ko to. And then ito, mga kalan. Meron kaming ganyan. Meron na kaming mga tent, tsaka mga kalan. But this kalan is so nice. Ang ganda niya. Day, hindi ko mabuksan. Yung sa amin ganito, yung unang panahon. Wow! Day, ang gaganda niya. Ang ganda niya. Tapos meron kaming ganito na sa camping. Kasi gusto ko talaga kumpleto yung camping things. O, sa camping ko, meron akong ganitong table. I also have this one. I think we have this one. This kind. This is like a kitchen for the camp. Ang ganda niya. And we have a bed. This one looks so schön. Ito, meron din kaming ganyan. So, kumpleto kami sa gamit sa camping. Pero yung mga kawakawali na ganun, parang kulang pa kami. Although, hindi pa kami nagka-camping forevermore. Nahirapan kaming makita tong lugar na to. Ang hirap pumunta. Pero parang feeling ko worth it naman yung pagpunta namin. Kasi nga, ang gaganda ng mga bagay. I really enjoy them. Gusto ko siya. Oh. Look at this. This is so nice. Ito, oh. Plato-plato, Day. I love it. I love it. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Look at that. Because of the handle, it's taking too much space. So, and this one is a big caldero. I think it's the same with this one. Ang ganda niya. I really love it.